What's up, you guys? So recently I got some work done on the E92 M3 and I updated the exhaust system. So I got the American Racing headers and I haven't found any video of this particular combination for the exhaust system on the combination of American Racing headers and Meisterschaft GT2 exhaust on YouTube. So in this video I'm going to be getting some sound clips of that exhaust combination on the E92 M3. So disclaimer, this video is going to be full with loud noises, especially the exhaust. So headphone users, proceed with caution. little spot where I could actually, rev and get some footage, the car revving. So yeah, the exhaust tone sounds more like LS motor right now, but I have a little more tweaks to do to it, so we could actually get more of the European high-pitched noise back again. Hope you guys enjoy the footage and the sound clips of the new exhaust system. It sounds different, but it still sounds pretty nice. But I'm not complete. I still need a couple more things to do to it.